What's up, guys? How you doing today? Good morning. Let me show you my spot where I'm staying at really quickly. Let me double check over here and see what's going on. Let me show you my studio. Where I'm staying at. That's the roof. Here it comes. Get to see this real quick. That's nice. Studio apartment where I'm staying at. Let me let you see. Here we go. It reminds me of like a fire station on the outside. The red and how it's designed a little bit right here, just my opinion. Keys. It's got some breakfast. That's the curtains right there. Now we inside the spot. Let me out the door. Got a banana. I'm eating a little bit. There's the keys over there. Banana. Some water. Got a little coffee set up here if you drink coffee. Philly Tom just doesn't drink coffee, so it doesn't work out for me. Windows right here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Right here we got the stove. Look at that. Open it up for you. This is my studio apartment, guys. Anywhere I go, I'll let you see the situation. This is the sink. Let's open up in here. Got some coffee mugs there. If I want to get some water, a filter in the back. Okay. Flat screen TV there. Oh, here with a fridge. Basic fridge, as you can see. Got a couple things down there, as you can see, some water. Basic fridge. Got the little coffee table right here. As you can see, look at the curtain setup. It's real fly, real classy, very relaxing spot. I would recommend anybody to stay at this spot. Now we can look at the couch. Very comfortable, as you can see. Oh man, I'm on it right now. Boom. Even have a ceiling fan right there. Pictures. Look at this picture right here. Look at this, classy, man. I'll let you see all the pictures in the room. We'll look outside. It's my studio. And we'll go into the little bedroom, little studio. Outside a little bit, let you see what's going on out there. Somehow in the background over this way, as you can see. Alright, man, let's make our way to the room. Hold on, let me see how I look, man. It's your boy Philly Dom. Got the nice hat on. Always rocking the sunglasses, and I'm here in Haiti, PETIONVILE. And this is my studio apartment. Let me show you the next room. For Philly Dom sleeping at. It's my luggage. Flip-flops. Got a bottle of water. Always try to drink as much water as possible. Glasses right here. It's the bed where I was sleeping at. As you can see, they got the air conditioners. Situation going on right here. And it works, guys. Let me let you see. I gotta put it on anyway. The water system out here, as you can see. Let me get you a shot of the background real quick, then we go to the other little spot. It's Haiti, guys. Houses in the back, as you can see. And it's working in here. So the lights on. There you go. Some stuff to put my items in inside there, right there. It's a bed, man. Put on the other light. Stuff right there. Dirty clothes right there. This is the bathroom, man. Toilet. Nice. Nice rug they got here. I'm not saying that because I'm doing the video, but this is a nice rug. Really dominant camera. One time to use yet. Let me open this anyway. Let me open this for you guys. Shower right here. You know, fully clean, to tell you it's fully clean. Soap I use. Shower here. You see everything. Rack with your towel on, or you can hang everything up here like I did as well. Little closet space. Dirty clothes right there. Little ventilation right there. But as you can see, overall it's a nice place. Sockets to plug up everything. This was a nice spot, man. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. This is a nice spot. Go in the mirror real quick, look at each other. Boom. You see me in the mirror? The laptop where I make it happen at. We'll upload the videos. Trying to think what else I can show you guys. Shows that right here. It's a little studio apartment, man. Little studio apartment. Now guys, I won't be in Haiti that much longer. I'm gonna still try to get much videos as possible. I still need to interview a female or two because I know a lot of people hounding me about interviewing a female. I had a female lined up last night to interview and something happened with that, but I'm gonna keep pushing, I'm gonna keep grinding, I'm gonna get the interviews for you. Plus I got some sporting things I want to show you in a day. More than likely I'll go to the carnival. I'm just waiting for my family to come pick me up from this studio apartment later on in the day. And more than likely I'm gonna go to the carnival. Look like I'll be making my way back to the DR, do some videos there. I may or may not come back to Haiti. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna keep pushing, I'm gonna keep grinding, and I'm gonna keep bringing out videos for you guys. And yeah, I'm feeling a little better. You know, I had the incident with the barber messing up my head, and I caught an infection in my head, but everything is getting better. You know, it's healing up. You know how life is. Everything takes time, so it's healing up. I'm feeling a lot better now than I felt a couple weeks ago. Appreciate you guys for all the support and all the get well messages, and you keeping me in your prayers and everything. I greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it. Take care, guys, and more videos will come from Haiti while I'm here. I'll be in the DR soon, so expect a lot of videos out of the DR. And then from there, like I said before, I'm gonna keep repeating myself, but I want you guys to know my movement or know where I'm going. I'll be making my way to Miami, Atlanta, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, New York, back to Philly, to the West Coast, Los Angeles, San Diego, Tijuana, and then to Belize and El Salvador. And I'll be staying in El Salvador and going back and forth. Wherever I go, I'll be moving out of El Salvador to Belize or Panama, but I'll be in that area. Take care, God bless you. And I'll grab the camera for a second, let you see one more quick view, and that'll be the end of this video. Take care, guys. I'll talk to you later, and more videos to come. From Philly down. Peace out. I'm gonna get the back of the door. I don't know why. Peace out from PETIONVILE, Haiti. We're in the suburbs of Port-au-Prince, deep in the mountains. So I'll talk to you later, and have a great day or a great night. Peace out from Haiti.